To connect USB drive to your Samsung Galaxy A05, first you will need to grab the USB drive that can actually be connected. In this case, as you can see, I have the USB drive like this, but I also have the adapter that allows me to connect USB-C to my device, as this is required to connect it with this phone. So now when we grab our Samsung, we can connect the USB drive to USB-C port, usually the place where you charge it, and then when it's connected, we'll be able to transfer files using the Files app. You can open it in the Samsung folder right here. Then when you scroll down, you can find your internal storage. That's the storage on your phone, and there's also USB storage right here. So let's go for our internal storage. Then we can transfer these two photos to the drive. So we're going to click on copy. We can also move them. Then a folder will appear on the top, and what we need to do is select the folder with the, not like that. We need to select our drive. So you can scroll right here until you find your USB drive, and then you can copy it wherever you want. Now when we go back and enter USB storage, you can see that the photos are placed right here.